Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video tutorial on the HomePod Mini. In this super easy tutorial, I'll be going over how to adjust the volume up and down. If you have your HomePod Mini and you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume, this easy tutorial is for you. Let's get right into the video. It's actually really simple, but I'm going to go over a few different methods for doing so, okay? So as you can see right here, you have a plus and a minus on the top, okay? Now, it's pretty straightforward, this part, but I'm going to get to some more complex options, okay? So I'm going to give you some more complex ways of doing it as well. So if you tap either one of these, you're going to increase the volume individually by individual units by tapping the plus, or decrease the volume by individual units by tapping the minus. Now you can also hold the plus to continually increase the volume and hold the minus to continually decrease the volume, okay? So that's how to do it with your fingers, essentially by touching the plus and the minus, by either tapping them or pressing and holding them. In addition, you can also use your friend Siri, my buddy Siri, to help you increase or decrease the volume. So you can ask Siri to, for instance, increase the volume by a certain amount or decrease the volume by a certain amount. And I'm not going to say the command here because I don't want to set off your devices if you're listening to this close to your Apple HomePod Mini, okay? But you get the idea. You can also tell Siri which specific percentage you want. So you can say that you can ask for 50% volume, or 70% volume, or 30% volume. So in addition to using the buttons, you can also ask Siri to either increase or decrease by a certain amount, or just go to a certain volume. And that's it. Those are the different ways to either adjust the volume up or down. I'm sure most of you knew about the plus and the minus, but maybe you didn't know about the additional methods. That's why I wanted to make this video, to show you about the basic use of it, but then the more complex methods as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.